Hey guys, in today's video we are going to talk about how to rank your YouTube videos high on search results. So if your YouTube channel is not growing, making searchable videos is a great strategy to solve this problem, but you need to rank your videos high on search results, otherwise it doesn't work. After I achieved to rank my videos on YouTube search, my channel took from monthly around 400 views to over 30,000 views because I'm mostly making searchable videos. What even better is, the views are very steady because people constantly search for something every single day, and once your video gets ranked high, it stays there for very long years, as you see here. I published this video on my other channel in 2021, has brought me over 600,000 views so far and still getting a lot of views. This is how powerful YouTube search can be. So in this video, I'm going to show you all the necessary steps to rank your videos high on YouTube search. The chapters are below, but please have some patience and watch the video till the end because this is a very important video for growing your channel. Okay, so firstly, let's understand how the YouTube search algorithm works. When you search for something on YouTube, it will bring you a list of videos, but the algorithm doesn't rank these videos randomly. Instead, it ranks these videos based on two factors: relevancy and engagement. This video here, for example, is ranked higher than the other videos because the algorithm thinks it is more relevant for this search term and probably has a more successful engagement such as watch time, likes, comments, etc. And therefore, these videos, for example, they ranked higher at the top of the list. So you need to make your videos relevant and engaging so the algorithm can understand and rank them higher. For relevancy, there are two important factors you need to do. The first one is keyword research and the second one is SEO, search engine optimization. Okay, now let's talk about what keyword research is and why is it so important. Keyword research is the process of identifying words and phrases that people actually search for. However, you can't just do it by yourself. There are some tools for that. For my channel, I am using VidIQ to do keyword research. They are a trusted brand on YouTube with a large following, and many YouTubers are also using this tool, including myself. VidIQ helps you to find the right keywords based on search volume and competition, and it also suggests many alternatives. If you don't have this information, then you are taking the risk of targeting the wrong keywords, which ends up not getting views because no one is actually searching for these keywords, or with a very high competition, which is bad for small channels to get ranked because they can't compete with larger channels. Before we make an example keyword research, you can sign up for VidIQ from the link below in the description and start testing it for completely free. After signing up, you need to connect your YouTube channel with VidIQ and then you are ready to go. Okay, let's say you want to make a video about how to use ChatGPT. When we search for this term, we see that there are already very large channels that dominate this topic, which makes it very hard to compete for small YouTube channels. No matter how good your video is, you won't be able to outrank YouTube channels with hundreds of thousands or even millions of subscribers for this search term. And here is where keyword research becomes very valuable. Let's copy this search term to VidIQ. When we search for it, it gives us an overall score with two important metrics. The first one is search volume and the second one is competition. Don't mind this overall score that much. The search volume is very good. Many people are searching for it. That's a very good indication. But the competition is so high, means that VidIQ is telling that if you make a video with these keywords, then it will be very hard, almost impossible for you to rank it high on YouTube search because either there are already made a lot of videos around this topic or large channels is covering this topic. So even without doing a research on YouTube, you can see it directly from VidIQ. And the good part of using VidIQ is it gives you a lot of different alternative keywords under different sections. So the first one is overview that gives you some idea for this keyword, but it also offers you related keywords, matching terms, and questions. So now let's see what they mean. Let's change this keyword back to ChatGPT and let's go to the related keywords tab. VidIQ gives you a list with different keywords that either include the keyword ChatGPT or that is a related keyword to ChatGPT, for example, AI. Since ChatGPT is artificial intelligence, you can also see here a related similar keyword, which is AI. It ranks all of these keyword ideas based on search volume, competition, and the overall score. So you can easily find here something that has a low competition, which will be easier for you to rank it on YouTube search. Okay, if you can't find anything here, you can switch to matching terms. In the matching terms tab in this page here, you see that every keyword opportunity includes the keyword ChatGPT, but also other keywords together with it. Now here you can find another keyword that has, for example, a low competition. For example, ChatGPT plugins is an idea that you can use. And the third one is questions that people are typing here in the search field as questions. They come here and you can make a video, for example, that answers a question and also includes many different keywords. So here you can, for example, how to upload PDF in ChatGPT. For example, if you search for this one, okay, let's see what it comes. This time we see that the channels are much smaller compared to the previous one. And there are also very small channels with less than 1,000 subscribers, which they also achieved, for example, to rank a video at the 1, 2, 3, 4th place for this search term, how to upload PDF in ChatGPT, which is a very good indication if you have a small channel that you will also have a chance to rank it higher if you use these keywords and make a video about it. Let's click on this one. And as you see, VidIQ also gives you an overall search volume around 5,000, and the competition this time is very low. As you can see, if you choose to make a video about this topic, then you will have much more chance to rank it high on YouTube search. One tip I can give you here, if you use long tail keywords like this one, for example, then since this includes multiple keywords, it will be also easier for you to rank it in YouTube search. The long tail keywords have a better advantage on ranking on YouTube search. After you find some keywords, it is always important to verify that these numbers are correct. Mostly what VidIQ tells you is correct, but sometimes the search volume can be different, much lower or much higher in some cases. So you may want to check if that is true. We go back to the YouTube search, and after you sign up to VidIQ, you need to connect your YouTube channel with VidIQ. Then what you want to do is to click the first ranked 2 or 3 videos like this. On the right side of each video, VidIQ gives you some additional information. You can see it as stats here, overview, and there is the historical data. Okay, the historical data shows you the number of views this video got after getting uploaded. So as we can see, this video has a steady growth since June last year. Okay, after June, it jumped from 20,000 to almost 80,000, more than 80,000 views in a year. And that's a very good indication that this video is getting a lot of interest. And the second graph here is views per hour, which is also another graph from VidIQ, showing you that generally how many views per hour this video is getting. This video is getting around 6 views, 7 views per hour. Let's say 6 views per hour. It is getting over 100 views every single day and over 3,000 views every single month, just with a single video. Let's switch to the second example. Okay, so this one is the second ranked video here. And when we look at the stats, we see that it is not that much, but still it has some kind of a growth. And let's see the third ranked video, this one. It has published around 5 months ago, and it is getting not many views, as you can see, because it is ranked on the 3rd position. That's why it is so important trying to rank your videos, if possible, at the 1st or at the 2nd position, because they got much more views than the 3rd one. So after choosing your video topic and your keywords, the next step will be applying SEO, search engine optimization. SEO is optimizing your content using these targeted keywords for your title, description, tags, and by actually speaking those keywords in your video to increase the visibility and ranking in search results. YouTube is also a search engine and it is owned by Google. So if you do SEO right in your videos, they can also get traffic from Google as well. Now, when we go back to our example, we see that the exact or similar keywords appear in the title and in the description part of every single video. The most important part for SEO is using the keywords or the phrases in your video's title and description. Let's begin with the title. You can write your video's title exactly by copying the keywords from VidIQ, like this. Another method is, depending on the topic, you can use the important keywords naturally in your title. But this can change the results in search. Therefore, I always use the first method. I just copy it from VidIQ as it is and I paste it directly to my video title. The description part is also important for SEO. Please don't leave this box empty. You should include the most important keywords in a couple of times, at least at the first 2 rows of your description. For example, you can write here quickly, learn how to upload PDF in ChatGPT. That will be a great start. Another important thing you can do is including the similar keywords that VidIQ is suggesting. Here you can find the other similar keywords that also have a low or very low competition. You can't use all of them in your title. There is not enough space for that. But you can integrate these keywords in your description. Of course, you shouldn't copy and paste it exactly like this, but you can write them in a more natural way. Sometimes I write it myself, but you can also get help from ChatGPT. You simply tell ChatGPT to write a YouTube video description, including these keywords. Then you can copy them here, click on enter, and it starts writing you a video description, including these keywords. Okay, and then you can quickly edit and finish this description. So please don't leave the description part empty or just with a single sentence or so, because if you do that, you will lose potential views that can come from other keywords. Tags also help YouTube understand the context of your video. Some people are saying tags are not that important anymore, but just in case it is still there and I'm just adding them here quickly. Okay, VidIQ also recommends you here other titles. You can click on the refresh button and you can add here similar tags with a higher score. So by doing this, you are just giving additional information to the YouTube algorithm. It is also good to mention the most important keywords in the video itself, which also helps YouTube better understand and rank your content. So try also to speak some of the most important keywords in your video. So VidIQ plays a very important role in YouTube SEO and also in keyword research. It also has other features such as suggesting new video ideas every single day with high view prediction, AI support for finding video ideas or creating videos, and also AI support for your YouTube channel. VidIQ also gives optimization tips for your already published videos. It gives your videos a score with a review and a feedback telling what you did great in your previously published videos, and also some improvement tips telling you what you can improve. But I will cover the other features of VidIQ in a separate video later. There is one more important thing to get ranked high on YouTube search, and that is engagement. If you make a high quality video, you will obviously get a lot of likes and comments, but there is a very important metric that tells YouTube that your content is high quality, which is audience retention. Audience retention shows the percentage of your video that viewers watch, and higher retention rates signal to YouTube that your content is engaging and worth promoting. For example, I posted 2 videos on the very same topic. Despite their similarities, one video significantly outperforms the other one due to its higher audience retention rate. This video kept viewers watching longer, and that's why it is ranked high on search results and therefore performs much better. And if you want to learn more about audience retention and some audience retention tactics, then make sure to check out my next video.